Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I showcase whatever latest tech and trend that I got and show you guys. Nothing fancy, just me sharing stuff I love and figuring things out and maybe learning something cool along the way. So if you're enjoying the vibe so far, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get into the video. In today's video, let's take a look at this brand new adjustable table machine without a tabletop, which is from Kosmo Care on Amazon, which goes around 10.5k. It's the most affordable adjustable machine I could find on any online store. I chose this because I want a bigger tabletop, since the tabletop that comes with it is kind of small as my monitor is large. So I want to make some changes, which is why I purchased the tabletop separately. I've been wanting this machine for a very long time. Now that it's finally here, it feels surreal and I'm so excited. At first I was kind of skeptical because of the pricing, as it's much cheaper compared to any other machine, but to my surprise the quality of this machine is top notch and it's very heavy, which indicates a good quality, and I hope it does. And I'm so thrilled to try out this machine, so now let me assemble all this step by step and see you guys in a few seconds. Assembling this table machine is harder than it looks. If you don't read the guide properly, it can take 4 hours, which I did, and I had to redo it. For you guys it's just few minutes, but for me it took me like an hour or more. So do read the guidelines properly. To make the tabletop bigger, I purchased a 3 foot by 6 foot MDF board and cut it into 2.5 foot by 5 foot, which looks much better for my 43-inch monitor. The one that comes with it is just 2 foot by 4 feet, which is not enough for my monitor, so by doing this, there is more workspace. This tabletop is temporary, by the way. I plan to build a wooden tabletop later on, so until then I will use this. Unfortunately, I haven't made the parts where all these wires goes in and hide all the wires, and I didn't purchase it because for a small part it's quite expensive and I don't want to waste any money for this one, so why not build it myself. So all the parts and the outlets that will be placed on the wall will be for the next video, but for now let's keep it that way. So for this video I just want to show you the machine itself and its features. So on my next video I will add some paints on this wall and add the outlets and hide all the wires and try to make as clean as possible. This is a wooden stand which I built from my old desk in order to keep the table neat and tidy. It's a simple design, nothing fancy. To be honest, there's so much upgrade required for my room, which you will see later in the future, one at a time. The controller itself comes with two presets which automatically lifts up and down when pressed once, and the two buttons are manual. It goes up to a height of 115 centimeters and goes down up to 70 centimeters. The motor sound is very minimal and it's very smooth. It's not bad at all for this price. I was wondering why not just buy the machine and then purchase the tabletop separately, which is very much cheaper and save money instead. And you can also customize the size according to your liking, or do you guys prefer ready-made that comes with it? I can understand for those who don't have tools to do it, but for those who have it, what do you guys think you will choose if you would want to purchase in the future? What would you choose? Please comment down below. So that's it for this video. It's time to wrap this up. I'll continue the rest of the upgrade in my next video. If you enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. And thanks to all my subscribers for watching my videos, and for those who have watched and haven't subscribed yet, maybe it's time to click that subscribe button. It would be such a huge support for me and my channel. So thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.